financial correspondent Jen Rezac. I'm here today with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, we all know it's important to maintain our health and to get regular checkups physically. But Calvin, you say we need to manage our wealth the same way. So how do we do that?
That's exactly right, Jen. So first, you want to have a plan. Only about 20% of Americans have a comprehensive written retirement income plan, which lays out where all their income is going to come from, which accounts they're going to touch first, factors in things like inflation and healthcare expenses and travel and vacation funds. Once you have that plan, then you want to do regular checkups, just like you would with your doctor at least once or twice a year. Are you on track? Are you not? And small adjustments in that plan should be made over time, depending on how the market is performing, depending on changes in your financial objectives. And so that's the importance of having that type of plan and keeping it kind of in tune with your health checkups.
Right. It really makes a lot of sense as you think about when you have a plan, you're less likely to deviate, make impulsive decisions. That's me when it comes to eating, for sure. You have some great resources to help us stay on track, right?
That's right. My team and I have created this retirement roadmap kit. And every day that goes by that people don't have a plan in place, it puts in jeopardy their ability to answer the question later, am I going to be okay? Am I on track? How does my spending right now relate to where I think I should be in the future? So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit are designed to help you manage that financial plan and retirement plan throughout your life expectancy.
Some really helpful resources there from Calvin and the team. You can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.